by then I should be doing fine. I'm feeling heated for no reason, and I'm not trying to start a fight. Yeah.
Done packing, and I'm not sure if anong mararamdaman ko. But this is, hindi ko alam kung makikita. Yarn, 19.19. This is 20. And then, ito, i-hand carry ko sana to. But this is already over 7 kilos. So, I have no choice but to just i-check in ko na lang. Ito na lang yung i-hand carry ko. Yung mga snacks. Tsaka may ibang damit pa akong dala. And my bag. That's it.
Hi everyone, Jen here. So I finally landed in Cebu from Taipei, and the line at the immigration was really, very long. Combination kasi siya ng foreign tsaka Philippine passport holders. And then also, very important, make sure that you have your e-travel arrival card in the Philippines already completed kasi hinanap siya sa amin. And then, dun sa iba na hindi pa nakapag-fill out, parang pinapabalik nila and then pinapa-fill out talaga nila because they really check the QR code, like the screenshot. Buti na lang nakapag-screenshot ako and I saved it and I just showed it. They don't scan or anything, and then diretso na din kami sa parang e-passport na sticker. And then after that, what's super great about it is that pagbaba ko sa escalator, yung mga luggage, they were all already standing up and arranged really well, and then you'll just approach the ground staff and then papakita mo lang yung tag ng bagahe na naka-check-in para they will make sure na it's really your luggage and hindi nakuha ng ibang tao yung luggage mo. So, yan. It's so nice. And yeah, I think that ends my trip to Taiwan, guys. I will probably film a pasalubong haul. Hopefully, ma-film ko siya at hindi pa makain ng mga pamilya ko yung pagkain or hindi pa hingi ng mga friends ko yung pagkain or snacks. But yeah, that ends my Taiwan trip, guys. I hope you guys liked it and see you guys in the next one. Bye!